Imagine for a moment that you are running a race. Your attention is focused on the movements of your body, the power of your muscles, the force of your lungs, and the feel of the street beneath your feet. You are living in the moment, utterly absorbed in the present activity. Time seems to fall away. You are tired, but you barely notice. This is an example of a flow state. What is flow? Flow is a state of mind in which a person becomes fully immersed in an activity. Positive psychologist Maëlie Csikszentmihalyi describes flow as a state of complete immersion in an activity. Being immersed can be defined as a state of focus in which a person is completely absorbed and engrossed in their work. In addition to making activities more fun, flow also has a number of advantages as follows. 1. Emotional regulation. With increased flow, can help people develop skills that allow them to regulate their emotions more effectively. 2. Fulfillment and happiness. People in a flow state enjoy what they are doing more. Because the task becomes more enjoyable, they are also more likely to find it rewarding and fulfilling. 3. Intrinsic motivation. Because flow is a positive mental state, it can help increase motivation. Intrinsic motivation involves doing things for internal rewards, how they make you feel, versus external rewards, such as prizes or payments. 4. Engagement and performance. People in a flow state feel fully involved in the task at hand. 5. Learning, skill development, and creativity. Because the act of achieving flow indicates a substantial mastery of a certain skill, people have to keep seeking new challenges and information in order to maintain this state. 10 characteristics of the flow. 1. The activity is intrinsically rewarding. 2. There are clear goals that, while challenging, are still attainable. 3. There is a complete focus on the activity itself. 4. People experience feelings of personal control over the situation and the outcome. 5. People have feelings of serenity and a loss of self-consciousness. 6. There is immediate feedback. 7. People know that the task is doable and there is a balance between skill level and the challenge presented. 8. People experience a lack of awareness of their physical needs. 9. There is strong concentration and focused attention. 10. People experience timelessness or a distorted sense of time that involves feeling so focused on the present that you lose track of time passing. So what can you do to increase your chances of achieving flow? There are some strategies you can use to help set the stage for entering a flow state. 1. Set clear goals. In his book, Csikszentmihalyi explains that flow is likely to occur when an individual is faced with a task that has clear goals that require specific responses. 2. Eliminate distractions. Try reducing distractions so you can fully focus on the task at hand. You might wear noise-canceling headphones, turn off or put away your phone, and so on. 3. Add an element of challenge. Csikszentmihalyi explains, if challenges are too low, one gets back to flow by increasing them. If challenges are too great, one can return to the flow state by learning new skills. 4. Choose a pursuit you enjoy. You aren't likely to achieve flow if you are doing an activity you truly dislike. Focus on trying to achieve flow while working on something you love. Achieving a state of flow can be a great way to make the activities you pursue more engaging and enjoyable. Not only do people often perform better when they are in this state of flow, but they may also be able to improve their skills. Fortunately, it is also a skill you can learn to achieve with practice.